Stranded on this island.
Hey guys, it's Pat here at Manitoulin Island RC. How are ya? I really like this body. It is just freaking awesome. I got it out in the sunlight now so you can really see the full effects of the iridescence. It's pretty awesome. It's in my shadow right now, but I really like how this thing drives too. It's just awesome. Not sure what I'm hung up on, but should be able to get over that. Woo! Doesn't it look good, guys? Those wheels from Injora really surprised the crap out of me. They're the turbines. You can get them in a few different, like back wheel, I guess you can call it. I got the bronze ones, but you can get them in a couple different colors. It's a really beautiful day too. It's probably like 0 degrees right now. Everything's starting to soften up a little bit. So I kind of want to get out before it's too soft. Yeah, I didn't think I was going to make it over that. Let's see if I can go that way a little bit. A little bit of body rub. No, I'm not going to go that way. Not going to go that way. Oh. Just got to rock it a little. There it is. Oh, that's noisy. I'm going to stay in the sun for a minute, and then we're going to go off into the bush, into the trees. There should be a little bit of water running in a stream, so we'll go and explore that in a minute. I don't think I'm going to make it up that. Let's try. Oh, jeez. Alright, I'll never question this thing again. It's a really capable rig. I like how low it is. No portals, just straight axle. Ooh, body rub. Well, that could be actually the sliders. Could be rubbing on the slider a bit. Okay, let's see how slow this thing goes. Yeah, hobby wing for the win. It's the Fusion 1800. It's just awesome slow. But I keep getting hung up here. It's got punch when you need it. And it goes nice and slow. And it's quiet. So quiet. Love watching that flex. Alright, let's head over to the bush. See you there. That thing looks awesome. I love it. I may have said that already, guys. I'm sorry. It is smooth like butter. Ooh, I think I'm going a little bit too low there. There we go. Small correction. Ooh boy, it is on the edge. Oh, that's wild. So stable. That's a steep downhill. With a drag brake, it's just awesome. And it's not sliding, like this is ice. It should be sliding. Huh, cool. I don't know if we'll make it up that, but I'll try. It's like right on the edge. Oh shit. Got it. Just hooked in time before it slipped off the edge. Well, alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching Manitoulin Island RC. This is Pat signing out. And please subscribe if you haven't, if you like the material you see. And hit the thumbs up. Cheers. Thanks for watching again. Peace out.